Hi, this is Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix one problem of your iPhone 11, iPhone 10, 8, 7, 6, whatever version you have. The problem is here. You see your battery is in yellow color. So how you can put in green or white as you want in normal. Start your phone, do whatever, but it doesn't fix. So how you can do that? Very simple process would be, so let me unlock my phone. Here we go. After unlock, we have to go to setting option in your iPhone 11, 10, whatever version you have. Here we go, setting, hit this one. Okay, here inside the setting option, you have to go to battery option. You have to search battery. Here we go. Go inside the battery. You see at the top, low power mode is on. So you have to off this. Hit here, off. You see become white, normal as a common. So this one is on is yellow, one is off is become white or normal color, or green, it will be back, depend on your phone. So this is the way you can fix yellow battery icon from your iPhone 11, 10 or any other version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.